Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you the new update from Instagram where you can now upload photos or videos from the Instagram website. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notifications. This new update from Instagram allows users to upload a photo or video straight from their PC or MacBook. This stops the hassle of transferring the image or video from your PC to your mobile phone and uploading it from there. So to upload a photo, make sure you first log on to your Instagram account by going over to instagram.com on a web browser. Once you log in, you'll come to this page where you'll see the Instagram feed, and at the top you'll see all these buttons. Click on the square with the plus sign inside it to upload a photo or video on Instagram. A pop-up box will appear with a blue button that says select from computer. Click on that and browse until you find your file you like to upload. You can select a photo or a video. If you select a photo that has a 1:1 ratio, 4:5 ratio, or 16:9 ratio. If it is a video, then it needs to be the same ratio as the photo, but this time it needs to be an MP4 file, and it needs to be between 50 to 150 megabytes. Once you've chosen your media, you can change the aspect ratio by selecting 2 arrow icon at the bottom left. You can choose original size, 1:1, 4:5, and 16:9. Next, you can zoom into the photo using the zoom tool at the bottom left of the image. Lastly, there is a tool to upload multiple image or video to this same post. You'll see this multiple upload icon at the bottom right. Click on it and then click on the plus sign to upload more images or videos. Once you're done with the uploading and the cropping of image, click on the next at the top right. On this next screen, Instagram will allow you to add filters or make adjustments to your image. You can make adjustments to each image if you have chosen to upload multiple images at once. Once you're done on this screen, click on next at the top right. Finally, on this screen, you can add your captions, hashtags, and if you want to tag someone, you can add the tags here. You can add your location, add your accessibility tags, and configure if comments are allowed on this post or not. Once you're done, go ahead and click on share to post this to your Instagram feed. Once the upload is complete, this will appear on your Instagram feed. And that is how to upload Instagram post through your PC or your MacBook. If this video helped you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.